Hey, Scott here with a quick review of these Wanda tractor tires. Now, I have a old Sears Craftsman here I've been working on all day, replacing some parts on the mower deck, and I decided to change out this leaky old tire that's all crispy here and all dry rotted. So I kept having to fill this up every time I mowed. And I'm gonna say it was no walk in the park getting the old tire off, but the new one went on nice and easy. Just use some soapy water. These got really nice tread on them. It's not going to tear up your turf, and they look real good. So one tip when you go to put it on, when you get your tire on, bounce it around on the ground a bunch to start setting the bead. Make sure your valve core is out. Blow a shot of air in there and it should set your bead. And after that, put your valve core in and fill her up. Then also check for leaks with your soapy water, and I had none, so I'm real happy about that, and looking forward to not having to fill this up anymore every time I go out. Now on to put the other side.